Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. In this week's video, we're headed 14 hours north to Thunder Bay, Ontario to look at an off-grid community. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the ride. This was our first time this far north, and we were so excited to see the landscape change as we drove from south central Ontario to the northwest of the province. The hills of the south become much larger, and the trees start to feel as though they're towering over your drive towards the Great Lakes Superior. So I guess picture this. It's mid-December and the lake hasn't quite froze over yet, but winter's coming. And I can admit now that we were a bit naive to think that it wouldn't arrive while we were here. As the Carolinian forest shifts into the boreal forest, we were blown away by the depth and beauty of the coniferous trees. The silence of winter camping is truly amazing. It's unlike anything I've experienced. If you are able to, I would highly recommend giving it a try. And after we explored the area, got some wood, and set up our tent, we realized we were probably going to have to cut our trip short as we were both getting called into work for a coming snowstorm. Then we woke up to extremely high winds and pretty much a hailstorm. Our first snowfall in our tent at well below zero, and we were lucky that our exit road was open and unblocked because the highway that we were off of was closed. Now I'm sure you can imagine and sympathize with me that at well below zero, I didn't want to take out my camera to film us packing up our stuff, so bear with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. If you have any requests for future videos, please leave them below, and stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. We'll see you next week.